Hello everyone, and welcome back to Talk's Academic Word of the Week. As you can see, today we're going to be looking at the word eventually. Eventually. How many syllables do you think this word has? If you said 4 syllables, you're correct. Ven, ch, li. Notice the third syllable is pronounced cha, cha. Now, where do you think the stress goes in this word? The stress goes in the second syllable, ven. So this syllable is a little bit louder in volume. Eventually. Eventually. Now, before I give you the meaning of the word eventually, let's see if you can guess it from context. Read the sentences on your screen and see if you can understand them and the word in yellow. If you need more time, you can pause the video now. The meaning of eventually is at a later point in time, or not immediately. Is this what you got for your meaning? If not, go back and see how this meaning works in the previous 2 sentences. Okay, now let's move on to figuring out the part of speech of this word. Once again, the sentences are on your screen, and the word that you need to focus on is in yellow. But this time, instead of focusing on the meaning, focus on the part of speech. If you need more time, you can pause the video now. As you can see, the part of speech of eventually is adverb. Hopefully, you didn't try to figure out 2 different kinds of part of speech. Eventually is only ever an adverb. Okay, now that we've gone over the pronunciation, meaning, and part of speech of eventually, it's time for you to start practicing on your own. You can begin with the question on your screen. What is something that you eventually hope to accomplish? You can post your answers on our social media pages, and we look forward to seeing you next week for our next academic word.